The University of Rochester Medical Center, Center for Community Health and Prevention, is hosting an event at the Memorial Art Gallery. So this is the 14th annual lecture, and it's part of the Public Health Grand Round series. Dr. Dorsey Epliers will be speaking on behalf of disparities in maternal and child health. And this year we're having a larger event, so we've actually invited in a theater group to start off our day, and that's the Pillsbury Theater group, Breaking Ice. And they will be performing at the beginning of the day, not only to give us some information and get us prepared for the day, but also to open up conversation.
Breaking Ice creates a context for a deep, authentic conversation, because you cannot work on or make progress on or fix anything that you can't talk about.
It's really an interactive opportunity for us to start thinking about ways we work together in the maternal and child health space.
With these issues of diversity, equity, and inclusion and health equity, there's a lot of discomfort, and often the discomfort is where people get stuck and the conversation stops. So what we hope to do is model both that discomfort is real, right, but that's really the front door. And that moving past the discomfort and actually getting comfortable with being uncomfortable is the meat of the work.
We'll also have a chance to practice some of the ways that conversations could go to address bias, address ways to work together as a community.
If we can connect people, if we can help folks see and feel the experience of someone that they may not know in their lives, then that can be transformational. And so what we want to do is help people understand where they fit in the work and that everybody has a stake in the work.
So we're really hoping this will create value and enrich our experience together, and that will come out having new techniques and new strategies to work together.